Zdi se, da bodo električne avtomobile skozi njihov življenjski cikel posodobitve doletele bistveno večkrat, kot se je to dogajalo pri klasično gnanih avtomobilih. Lep primer je Škoda enyaq, ki so jo po samo 3 letih proizvodnje že doletele prve izboljšave in posodobitve. A spet v nasprotju s klasično gnanimi avtomobili bodo te prostemu očesu praktično nevidne.
The new model year of enyaq brings much more powerful and much more effective electric drives on the rear axle for all versions with 77 kilowatt battery, which brings of up to 250 kilowatts in terms of the RS version and of up to 210 kilowatts for both 85 as well as 85X version.
Po zaslugi novega električnega motorja, ki smo ga že preizkusili v Volkswagenu ID.7, je enyaq tudi bistveno hitrejši. Z najvišjo hitrostjo 180 km/h sta različici 85 in 85X po novem enako hitri kot različice RS, pri čemer z mesta do 100 km/h pospešita skoraj 2 sekundi hitreje. Pri različici RS ostaja največja hitrost nespremenjena, je pa pospešek do 100 km/h še sekundo krajši in zdaj znaša 5,5 sekunde.
Thanks to the new powertrain, which is more effective, there is also a higher range. In terms of the basis version, it's of up to 560 kilometers. And in terms of the coupe version, it's more than 570 kilometers. Additional to the range, the new enyaqs can be nowadays charged in less than 30 minutes, which is also thanks to the new feature which we are bringing in terms of the new software, and it's a preheating of the battery, which allows you to preheat the battery in colder conditions. You can trigger the preheating either manually within the charging menu, or it triggers automatically when you are using the in-car app navigation.
Ob koristnih, a nevidnih izboljšavah pa novi enyaq vendarle prinaša tudi novosti, ki jih lahko opazimo s prostim očesom.
One of the new features is also the new software of the car, which brings together with the upgraded HMI, which is much smoother for operation, and thanks to the new UX design, it's much more intuitive as well. We are bringing to the market for the first time in terms of the enyaq also the Lauren and Clement version, which is in terms of the equipment and design like a top-notch for our brand.
Najbolj elegantna linija opreme z ekskluzivnimi dodatki, ki serijsko opremo naredijo še bolj bogato, je sicer v Škodinih avtomobilih precej zaželena. O tem navsezadnje pričajo tudi prodajne številke.
We are quite happy about the sales in this year. We will be highly above the previous year. So we cannot say the final number, but we will grow compared to last year. In the beginning of this year, we still did not have the full production. We were still missing some components, some chips first, then we were missing some components because of the floods in Slovenia. Now we are missing the performance engine for enyaq, so there were still some impacts, but we will be better than last year, and we are quite happy about it. And for next year, I think the situation will stabilize, so next year should be even better.
Četudi so pri Škodi odlične prodajne rezultate kronali z izjemnim dosežkom, ko je enyaq postal v Nemčiji najbolje prodajan električni avtomobil, pa ostajajo realni in na trdnih tleh.
Of course, we were very happy, but I have to say we were also lucky. At the right time, we introduced a cheaper version of enyaq with the 50 kilowatt battery. And it was also at the time where people were still using the government subsidies, so there were many factors helping us. But of course, we were very happy, and we will see what the future will bring. But we are happy that the German customers love the enyaq and want to buy it.
Hkrati pa se Čehi zavedajo, da je evropska prihodnost resda električna, a ne nujno že danes. Zato so na težave nekaterih evropskih držav s prehodom na električna vozila dobro pripravljeni.
Our strategy was always to offer both kinds of cars, combustion engine cars and electric vehicles. We are increasing the range of the models of electric vehicles. Basically every year from now we will be bringing a new electric car. Next year it will be Rok, then the small BEV city crossover, then the space BEV, the 7-seater. And we are sticking to the strategy. At the same time, we want to produce cars with combustion engines. We just introduced 2 new cars, Kodiaq and Superb. We will have a facelifted Scala, Kamiq and Octavia. And we always want to bring a car that the customer wants. So I would say until the end of this decade, we want to have a full offer of both types of engines, and we let the customer decide.
Zdi se, da je znamka, ki je nekoč ponujala manj ugledne, a cenovno ugodne modele, zdaj več kot odrasla. Zato nas je za konec seveda zanimalo, se je zaradi tega za Škodo spremenil tudi položaj znotraj koncerna?
I think the Škoda brand is positioned next to Volkswagen. We don't want to be below Volkswagen because we offer very good quality, increasingly also beautiful design, and people love our cars. And we have a different strategy. We want to differentiate through design and also through the philosophy of the brand. Our brand is based on 3 values. It's being human. We are a human brand, also being simple and being pleasantly surprising. And we are a brand for everyday explorer, which means for people who want to use the car to explore every minute of their life, to have a funny and interesting life, and that is the purpose of the brand. We are still about human touch and simply clever solutions, and we think we have very clear customer group, and we want to make this customer group happy and sell them our cars. It's as simple as that.